This review is of Reko's Pizzelle lemon, which is an Italian style wafer waffle cookie. And this is vegetarian, but it's not vegan. There are no trans fats or preservatives. It is parve, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. That's pretty much it. Here are the ingredients and the nutrition facts. All right. Very slight smell of lemon. Mostly a waffle smell. There's very little lemon flavor to this. So if that's what you're looking for, it's fine. Nice, crisp cookie. Tastes fine. It's just so very weak lemon flavor. So, I personally prefer more lemon, a lot more lemon than this. So I'm only going to give this a 5. It's not bad. It's not great. I won't buy it again just because it's too weak. But there's nothing wrong with it. It does have eggs and soy and stuff in it. So thank you very much for watching and hope you have a great day.